Our planet faces a formidable challenge: rising levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This issue is not just a distant threat, it's a pressing concern that affects every corner of the globe. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat are all impacted by the increasing concentration of CO2. This invisible gas, a byproduct of our reliance on fossil fuels, traps heat and warms the earth. Every time we drive our cars, power our homes, or manufacture goods, we contribute to this growing problem. The more CO2 we emit, the more we accelerate the greenhouse effect, leading to a hotter planet. The consequences are already being felt across the globe, from melting glaciers to extreme weather events. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, while intense hurricanes and floods wreak havoc on infrastructure and livelihoods. Wildfires, fueled by drier conditions, devastate forests and wildlife habitats, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The need for innovative solutions to combat climate change has never been more urgent. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop new technologies and strategies to reduce our carbon footprint. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power are becoming more efficient and widespread, offering cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. Public awareness and activism are also on the rise, with people around the world demanding action from their governments and industries. Thankfully, amidst these challenges, ingenuity and scientific breakthroughs offer a glimmer of hope. Researchers are exploring innovative ways to capture and store CO2, preventing it from entering the atmosphere. Advances in material science are leading to the development of more sustainable building materials, which can help reduce emissions from the construction industry. One such beacon is the remarkable process of turning CO2 into stone, a process that holds immense potential for mitigating climate change and revolutionizing the construction industry. By converting CO2 into solid materials, we can not only reduce the amount of this harmful gas in the atmosphere, but also create durable, eco-friendly building materials. This technology represents a significant step forward in our fight against climate change, offering a practical and scalable solution to one of the world's most pressing problems. At the heart of this transformative technology lies carbon capture and storage, commonly known as CCS. This groundbreaking method is a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change. This innovative approach involves capturing CO2 emissions from industrial sources, such as power plants and factories, which are among the largest contributors to greenhouse gases. Before these harmful emissions are released into the atmosphere, they are intercepted and captured at the point of emission. This crucial step helps to significantly reduce the carbon footprint of these industrial giants. Once captured, the CO2 is compressed into a dense liquid form and transported to storage sites via pipelines or other transportation methods. This ensures that the captured carbon is securely moved to its final destination. These storage sites can be found deep underground in depleted oil and gas reservoirs or saline aquifers. These geological formations are ideal for storing CO2 because they can securely contain the gas for thousands of years. There, the CO2 is safely and permanently stored, preventing it from contributing to global warming. Scientists continuously monitor these storage sites to ensure the CO2 remains securely trapped. But CCS technology offers more than just storage. It opens up exciting possibilities for utilizing captured CO2 in innovative ways. For instance, captured CO2 can be used in the manufacturing of building materials, fuels, and even in the production of carbonated beverages. Researchers are constantly exploring new and creative applications for this captured carbon, turning a potential environmental hazard into a valuable resource. One of the most promising applications of captured CO2 lies in its transformation into a solid, stable material stone. This remarkable feat is achieved through a process called mineral carbonation. In this process, CO2 reacts with minerals, such as calcium or magnesium silicates, which are found abundantly in certain types of rocks. The reaction between CO2 and these minerals results in the formation of solid carbonate minerals, effectively trapping the CO2 within a durable, stone-like material. This process mimics natural geological processes that occur over millennia, but is significantly accelerated in a controlled industrial setting. The implications of this alchemical transformation are profound, particularly for the construction industry. Concrete, a ubiquitous building material, is a major contributor to global CO2 emissions. The production of cement, a key ingredient in concrete, is highly energy-intensive and releases significant amounts of CO2. However, by incorporating CO2-infused stone into the concrete mix, we can partially replace the need for cement, thereby reducing the overall carbon footprint of concrete production. This innovation has the potential to transform concrete from a climate change contributor into a part of the solution. Section 5. A greener footprint. The environmental perks. The environmental benefits of using CO2-infused stone in concrete production are multifaceted. Firstly, it directly reduces carbon dioxide emissions from cement production, mitigating the industry's impact on climate change. Secondly, it utilizes captured carbon dioxide, preventing it from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. Thirdly, the production process itself can be designed to be energy efficient, further reducing the environmental footprint. Moreover, the use of CO2-infused stone can enhance the durability and longevity of concrete structures, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Section 6. Recycling revolution. Giving concrete a second life. In addition to incorporating CO2-infused stone, the concrete industry is increasingly embracing another sustainable practice: recycling. Concrete is a highly recyclable material, and recycled concrete aggregate can be used to replace a significant portion of virgin aggregates in new concrete mixes. This reduces the demand for new aggregates, which are often extracted through environmentally damaging mining practices. Furthermore, using recycled concrete reduces waste and the associated disposal challenges, contributing to a more circular and sustainable construction industry. Section 7. A global imperative. Scaling up for a sustainable future. The potential of turning CO2 into stone for concrete production is immense, but realizing its full potential requires a concerted global effort. Scaling up production to meet the demands of the construction industry is crucial for maximizing its impact on climate change mitigation. This necessitates collaboration between governments, researchers, and industry leaders to accelerate research and development, provide financial incentives, and establish regulatory frameworks that encourage the adoption of this transformative technology. Section 8. The future of construction, innovation, and collaboration. The journey towards a sustainable future for the construction industry goes beyond simply replacing conventional materials. It demands a paradigm shift towards circularity, resource efficiency, and a holistic approach to design and construction. This includes exploring innovative building designs that minimize material use, optimizing construction processes to reduce waste, and promoting the use of renewable energy sources on construction sites. By embracing a culture of innovation and collaboration, we can pave the way for a truly sustainable built environment. Section 9. A call to action. Embracing a low-carbon world. The challenge of climate change demands bold action and a collective commitment to transitioning to a low-carbon future. This is not just a task for scientists and policymakers, it requires the involvement of every individual, community, and organization. We must all play our part in reducing carbon emissions and adopting sustainable practices. Turning CO2 into stone for concrete production is not a silver bullet, but it represents a significant stride in the right direction. This innovative approach helps to reduce the carbon footprint of one of the most widely used materials in the world. By capturing and utilizing CO2, we can mitigate some of the environmental impacts of industrial activities, but it represents a significant stride in the right direction. This technology is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to find creative solutions to complex problems. It shows that with the right investment and support, we can develop methods to turn harmful emissions into useful resources. By embracing this and other innovative technologies, promoting sustainable practices, and fostering a culture of environmental stewardship, we can make a tangible difference. It is essential to support research and development in green technologies and to encourage businesses to adopt eco-friendly practices. And advocating for policy changes, we can drive systemic change. Governments play a crucial role in setting regulations and standards that promote sustainability. By pushing for stronger environmental policies, we can ensure that industries are held accountable and that progress is made on a larger scale. We can collectively reduce our environmental footprint, Simple actions like recycling, conserving energy, and supporting local sustainable agriculture can have a significant impact. Community initiatives such as urban gardens and local recycling programs empower individuals to contribute to a greener world and create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. Investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power is crucial. These technologies not only reduce our reliance on fossil fuels but also create jobs and stimulate economic growth. The time for action is now. We cannot afford to wait. The effects of climate change are already being felt around the world, from extreme weather events to rising sea levels. Immediate and decisive action is necessary to prevent further damage and to protect our planet for future generations. Let us rise to the challenge and build a brighter future together. By working collaboratively and supporting one another, we can overcome the challenges ahead. Together, we can create a world that is not only sustainable, but also equitable and just for all.